Hello guys and welcome back. So today is 26th of June and we have a new lower low this week on Bitcoin. For now it looks like the way I predicted, like it's forming a double or even a triple bottom. And I would like to discuss with you, and I would also really like your takes on Dr. Profit. And I saw he predicts a 42k on Bitcoin. So now we are approaching the bottom anyways. Even if he's right or wrong, we are in the bottom territory. And yeah, let's go through his posts a little bit. He's a controversial figure and he's got a lot of followers, and some people say, oh, he's always right or usually right. And I would like to check a few posts. So no, let's close this one. So there are three posts. In the first one, he's basically bullying Michael Saylor. He says, hey Saylor, I ask for an immediate capitulation now. You joked about my warnings at 120k, ignored the one at 80k instead, doing the only thing right and sell. Now is the time for you to capitulate, sell your Bitcoin and erase the pain you put in millions of investors. So yeah, that's a very aggressive post, but yeah, I don't know what to really say about it. It seems to be like he's a bit cocky, but he's got a few things right, and I don't want to believe that someone knows everything and all the future and what will happen on the market, but we'll have to see. And the second post is the 200 moving average line, which is Bitcoin has touched it now, and he says basically it's going to be around 30%, 32 below the line, which means 42k. Do you believe will it get it right? Will he get it right again? I'm not sure, but it seems that Bitcoin is going a little bit lower. However, we might see, I think now it's the bottom show, and once we have more and more bearish news and more fear mongering, it will be the reversal. I don't know what will trigger the reversal event, but anyway, this is bottom territory basically. It's let's say until the end of the year. So basically, let's see, about 28 weeks, 196 days of accumulation left, maybe less, I would say. So we still have time to accumulate. That's my opinion. Now I would also really appreciate to see your opinions, and maybe if you have ideas for me to discuss, would be perfect. So I think he had another post on his profile, and it was so the capitulation, the EMA, and I think I wanted to talk about this. It's not as interesting, but I mean it is interesting because $1 million bet against alts, and 84 out of 100 are on profit. So he's basically put a massive bet, and I didn't have any of those, I think. Let's see. I had this one. I used to trade this one and this one in the past. The last one I got out of it. It's this one, and I think this one I also traded. I wanted to buy some mantra some time ago. I had Theta, I sold it on a profit, and I think I would buy it again in the future. Lido DAO, I think I either had it in very long time ago for just a little bit, but yeah, not a big trade, and yeah, the rest I didn't. Ethereum was my first trade on the crypto market. So it's wait, yeah, it's two pictures. Let's check the second one. So are those the all 100, all of the 100, 10, 20, 30, 35? So it's basically 70. It's just this here. It's only showing 70 out of 100. So did I sell my IOTA? I think I still have a little bit. I had a little trade on Inch in the past, some Zilliqa. GRT, it's one of my biggest holdings. It's on a loss. It's on a big loss. Gala, I sold it on a loss. I just went out of it. I needed to move some money, so yeah. What else? LPT, I sold it on a profit a while ago, and some of it on a loss, but overall it's I'm on a profit with this one. Philcoin, I traded it a long time ago, a few times, and I had profit every time because I was just playing with it. And yeah, and Solana was my biggest trade, my most profitable trade. So yeah, right now I don't know, is the time to buy, is the time to accumulate? I think on a long run it's time to accumulate. However, I don't know how long will be the accumulation period. We might get an early surprise, but let me know what you guys think, and see you in the next one.